it's me Jade and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to look at the endings ne and yo. Let's jump into it. Okay, so let's look at ne first. So ne is something that comes at the end of a sentence, and it's when you're seeking agreement or confirmation from another person. Think of it as in English when we say right or isn't it. Let's look at the examples from Genki. D-san no senmon wa bungaku desu ne. D-san no senmon wa bungaku desu ne. D-san, Miss Lee, no, Miss Lee's, senmon, major, wa, regarding your major, Miss Lee, bungaku, literature, desu ne. Right, Miss Lee, your major is literature, right? D-san no senmon wa bungaku desu ne, desu ne. Right? And here's another one. これは肉じゃありませんね。これは肉じゃありませんね。これは This is 肉 meat じゃありません not ね Right? A more natural English translation of that sentence would be This isn't meat, is it? Ne? So it's that confirmation, that checking. That is what ne means. I think something. Do you think the same? Is that right? And the person can respond, so desu ne. Yes, that's right. So desu ne. Let's move on to yo. So yo also comes at the end of sentences, but it has a different usage, a different meaning. It's more declarative. Genki translates it as, I tell you. I translated it more as, don't you know? It's like you're making a statement so that the listener either gets on side with you or becomes aware of new information, something like that. Let's look at some examples. Tonkatsu wa sakana ja arimasen yo. Tonkatsu wa sakana ja arimasen yo. Tonkatsu, pork cutlet, wa, is, sakana, fish, ja arimasen yo, isn't. Just so you know. Don't worry, let me assure you, don't you know? Let me tell you. So the way Genki translated that sentence with the yo is, let me assure you. That's the yo translation. Tonkatsu isn't fish. Tonkatsu wa sakana ja arimasen yo. Another example Genki gives us. Smitsu-san wa Igirisu-jin desu yo. Smitsu-san wa Igirisu-jin desu yo. Smitsu-san, Mr. Smith, wa, is, Igirisu-jin, an English person. Desu yo, don't you know? So you know, I tell you. Now Genki translates that sentence as, in case you were wondering, Mr. Smith is British. So yo has a variety of different translations, but the overall meaning is, for your information, blah blah blah. Smitsu-san wa Igirisu-jin desu yo. FYI, Mr. Smith is British. Smitsu-san wa Igirisu-jin desu ne. Mr. Smith is British, right? That is the comparison between ne and yo, and I hope that helped because Japanese people use one or the other at the end of pretty much every single sentence. Actually, fun personal story here. One of the first people that I met in Japan, one of my first Japanese friends, told me off for how I was saying Japanese sentences without adding a yo or a ne to the end of them. They said, it's obvious that you're a foreigner, even just by listening to your Japanese, because you don't add these sounds at the end of your sentences. So after that, I started adding yo and ne to everything, and little by little, I grasped the meaning by listening to other native speakers speak. So yeah, I never actually got taught what ne and yo meant. I picked them up, and now I'm giving them to you with the help of Genki's guidance. If you like this lesson, give me a thumbs up to show me. Comment with anything you'd like me to know or any questions you have. And subscribe to see more. See you in the next lesson. Bye guys! Mwah!